Do you find the thought of investing intimidating? You're not alone, but it doesn't have to be that way. It's natural to have fears when approaching something new and unfamiliar, and investing is no exception. Perhaps you're worried about the potential loss of money, or feel that you lack the knowledge to make sound investment decisions. Maybe you're under the impression that investing is a game only for the rich and affluent. These fears, while understandable, often stem from misconceptions. Investing in its most basic form is about making your money work for you. It's not exclusive to any particular income bracket, and with the right tools and guidance, anyone can learn the ropes. So, fear not. We're here to break down the process of investing into simple, easy-to-understand steps. By the end of this video, you'll see that investing is not as scary as it might seem. So why should you invest, and what are your options? Let's start by understanding the true essence of investing. It's not just about hoarding money, but more about growing it. You see, when you invest, you're essentially putting your money to work for you. With the magic of compound interest, your wealth can grow exponentially over time. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and getting bigger as it goes along. Now, you might be tempted to just save your money under your mattress, but here's the catch: inflation. Inflation is like a stealthy thief, quietly eating away at your savings year after year. So by not investing, you're essentially losing money. So what are your options? Glad you asked. There's a smorgasbord of investment avenues to choose from. First, we have stocks, which are essentially shares in a company. Then there are bonds, where you lend your money to a company or government for a fixed return. Mutual funds and ETFs allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio without the need to pick individual stocks or bonds. Real estate is another attractive option, where you invest in physical property. And let's not forget cryptocurrencies, the digital assets that have been making waves in the financial world. Remember, investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about steadily building your wealth over time. So take your time, do your research, and make informed decisions. Now that you know why you should invest and what your options are, how do you get started? Well, the first step is setting clear financial goals. Are you saving for a new car, a down payment on a house, or perhaps a dream vacation? Or maybe you're thinking long-term, like retirement or your child's education. Having a clear goal in sight will guide your investment decisions. Next, you'll need to create a budget. This involves calculating your income and expenses to determine how much you can comfortably invest each month. Remember, investing isn't about throwing all your money into the stock market. It's about consistently setting aside a portion of your income for future growth. Once you've set your financial goals and budget, it's time to choose an investment platform. This could be a traditional brokerage, an online trading platform, or even a mobile app. Each has its own advantages and fees, so do your research and pick the one that suits your needs the best. Now let's talk diversification. It's a fancy term that simply means not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can reduce risk and increase potential returns. But remember, diversification isn't just about investing in different things. It's also about investing in different sectors, industries, and geographical areas. Understanding risk versus reward is also crucial in your investment journey. Higher risk investments, like stocks, can offer higher returns, but also higher potential losses. Conversely, lower risk investments like bonds offer lower returns, but are generally more stable. Your risk tolerance will depend on your financial goals, timeline, and personal comfort level with risk. Choosing to invest is a big decision, but once you get started, you'll find it's not as complex as it seems. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. And remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time? Today. As a beginner investor, it's crucial to be aware of common pitfalls. It's like going on a hike without a map. You could end up lost, or worse, off a cliff. One such pitfall is investing without a plan. Just as you wouldn't set out on a journey without knowing your destination, you shouldn't start investing without clear financial goals. Set them, plan your route, and stick to it, adjusting as necessary. Another common mistake is letting emotions drive your decisions. The world of investing can be a roller coaster of highs and lows, but if you let fear or greed dictate your actions, you might make rash decisions that could cost you in the long run. Instead, stay calm, stick to your plan, and remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Lastly, many new investors overlook the impact of fees on their returns. While they might seem minuscule at first, over time, these fees can eat into your profits. So before you invest, understand the full cost, from broker fees to transaction costs, and factor them into your plans. Avoiding these common pitfalls isn't just about increasing your chances of financial success, it's also about gaining confidence and knowledge as you navigate the world of investing. So be patient, stay informed, and keep learning. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, but learning from them is part of the journey. So, are you ready to start your investment journey? You've gathered the knowledge, understood the importance, and now it's time to take action. Remember, the first step might seem the hardest, but it's also the most essential. You're stepping into a world that's full of possibilities, and yes, a few challenges. But don't worry, with the foundation you've built, you're more than prepared. Investing isn't a race, it's a marathon. It's about steady growth and perseverance. It's about learning from mistakes and celebrating victories, no matter how small. It's about the journey, not just the destination. And remember, you're not alone. There's a whole community out there, each person on their own unique financial journey. We're all here to support each other, to learn from each other, and to grow together. So take the plunge. Start your investment journey now. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. We're all in this journey together, learning and growing. Please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel to grow our community of investment enthusiasts. Thank you.